Hey guys, it's Chris with American Shaman of Las Colinas again. So last week we did a video showing you how we cleaned the interior of a vehicle. So today we're going to show you how we clean a few more items. So if you own a nursery, or if you're in childcare or a school, or anywhere that may have some kid-friendly items like this Nerf gun or these Lincoln Logs, Frisbee, stuffed animals, Xbox controller, things like that, this product, the hypochlorous acid, is excellent at cleaning these things. So if you're in an inside situation, you would probably want to have an electric sprayer, which is about 60-70 bucks at Home Depot. We have an air sprayer because we're using our air tank, and it's really simple to use, similar to cleaning the truck. If I want to clean this Nerf gun, all I'm going to do is just get the sprayer going, and I'm just going to spray down this Nerf gun all the way around, and then just let it dry. In about 60 seconds, that'll dry up, and the Nerf gun will be good to go. Any potential viruses or bacteria that were on the Nerf gun are now gone, dead, nothing to worry about. Same thing with the Lincoln Log house. You just spray it down and wait. Now I brought out a tray just to show you how to you could potentially do some smaller stuff. So we've got the Lincoln Logs, we've got some Sharpies and some color pencils. So I mean, you just spray them down, try to keep them from flying around all over the place. You know, move them around a little bit. And then once you're done, you can wipe them off if you need to, or just let them air dry. So we've got a Frisbee here we're also going to spray. A couple of other little toys. And then we've got a bear. So this bear, we're spraying a mist. So it's not going to get wet. It's going to get a little bit damp, and it's going to dry off very quickly. We sprayed this bear about 5 minutes ago, and it's already dry. So we just give her a little shot. The next thing we're going to look at is electronics. So electronics, you would think that water and electronics doesn't mix. What is hypochlorous acid? Hypochlorous acid is water that's been electrolyzed and turned into a cleaning agent. So I would just recommend, if you're going to do electronics, you just cover the port where anything gets plugged in, and then you just give it a spray, let it dry. So I'm pretty confident that that's not going to affect electronics. So the next thing I'm going to clean is my iPhone. I'm obviously not going to spray it in the bottom, but everything else is fair game, and I'm pretty sure that we'll be just fine. So we'll set that right there. We'll look at that in a minute. The other options that you have when it comes to using hypochlorous acid is you can buy a spray bottle, just a regular spray bottle. This has got the same hypochlorous acid in it, and you can just spray it on like that, and then let it air dry or dry it off in about 60 seconds. So the difference between hypochlorous acid and other stuff, hypochlorous acid is made with water. It's safe to use in any situation. You can even drink it. Clorox, on the other hand, the first precautionary statement is hazardous to humans and domestic animals. Do you want to clean your kids' toys with this or with this? The last thing that I got to thinking about the other day, I was in Kroger and I was buying some apples. Well, how many people touched this apple before I bought it? What's on this apple? If I rinse this off in regular water, will it kill any viruses or bacteria or anything that's on it? The answer is no. But if I spray it with hypochlorous acid and let that sit for just 60 seconds, then the apple's clean. So just to prove a point to you guys, I cleaned this apple before we started, but I'm going to prove a point. I also cleaned the table before we started. Hypochlorous acid can't hurt you. Just to prove that fact again, I'm going to ask my son to help us demonstrate a little video. We're going to spray him down with hypochlorous acid, and y'all can see that everything's fine. So just hold your hands up. Turn around. Close your eyes. Cover your face with your hand. Yeah. No, just like your nose and your mouth. There you go. All right, you're good. So when it comes to hypochlorous acid, it's basically just water that's been electrolyzed or electrified or energized, however you want to say it. And there's nothing dangerous about it. You can eat it, you can drink it. It's not very tasty. It has a little bit of a bleach taste to it. I've done it before. It's not a big deal. It can't hurt you. So that means it can't hurt your kids. It can't hurt anything that you're cleaning in your house or your preschool or your school. So if you're interested in more information on hypochlorous acid, give us a shout. CBD American Shaman of Las Colinas is our store. Our website is cbdlascolinas.com. Phone number where you can reach us is 972-632-8224. Give us a call. We'll be happy to show you some more information or to get you set up if you need some hypochlorous acid. Thanks. Have a good one.